Hello students, I am Parag Barve sir. In today's session, we are going to study about question number 6b in your question paper, that is graph reading. Question number 6b is of 6 marks, in which a graph will be given to you and you will have to answer all the 6 questions correctly, and if you answer them correctly you will get all 6 marks. So today we are going to study about one specimen example of graph reading. You can see here I have selected one graph from the 7th lesson. It is about the trend of urbanization in India. So there are two axes shown here. One is x-axis, in which the years are shown: 1961, 1971, 1981, 91, 2001 and 2011. And so this is horizontal, and in vertical line, that is y-axis, it is shown with the percentage of urban population, 0, 5, 10, you can see the numbers here. So now we are going to take up the practice of graph reading. I have selected 6 questions for this graph. Let us study them one by one. So you can see here I have selected 6 questions for this graph. The first question is, what was the percentage of urbanization in 1961? Then the second one, in which decade was urbanization the highest? Third one is, in which decade was the growth of urbanization the lowest? Fourth question, in which year was the percentage 25.7? Fifth question, what is the interval of data on x-axis? And the sixth question is, what inference can you draw regarding India's urbanization after reading the graph? Now let us discuss these questions one by one with the help of the graph. So the first question is, what was the percentage of urbanization in 1961? So you can see here the year 1961 is given, and in the year 1961 the percentage is 18. So the answer will be 18%. Then the second question, in which decade was the urbanization the highest? So you can see here in this graph we have to check with the which year it was the highest. So as you can see, the graph is progressing, and here in the year 2011, right? So the question is asked about decade, so it will be 2001 to 2011. So in the decade 2001 to 2011, the growth of urbanization was the highest. Third question is, in which decade was the growth of urbanization lowest? So in the decade 1961 to 1971, the growth of urbanization was the lowest. Then fourth question is, in which year was the percentage 25.7? So we have to find out with the help of the given data. You can see here 25.7 is given, and it lies in the year 1991. So in the year 1991, the percentage of growth of urbanization was 25.7. Fifth question is, what is the interval of data on x-axis? So you can see here x-axis is horizontally given. The interval of data 1961, 1971, 81. So the difference between 2 years is of 10 years. So the answer of this question will be, the interval of data on x-axis is 10 years. Now the last question in this is, what inference can you draw regarding India's urbanization after reading the graph? So you can draw the inference that the growth of urban population is gradually increasing year by year. So you can draw the inference that India's urbanization is increasing year by year. So in this way, we have studied about the graph regarding the percentage of urban population in India, and in this way, if you answer all the questions correctly, you will get 6 out of 6 marks. Thank you.